I really do believe that someone's gotta hold out me, yeah. Oh, someone's gotta hold out me right now, child. Let me say now, I gotta get it. I feel so strange. Everything around me seems to have changed. Step by step, I got a brand new walk. I even sound sweeter when I talk. I said,
story. Tell us what you're doing, because I couldn't even, like you were talking at the heats today and I was like, what? I can't even keep up. Give me the brief version.
Okay, well, my name's Holly Somerville and I started my very own charity foundation when I was 8 to help the planet, people and animals in need. And I sing, busk and do performances around town and also in nursing homes and hospitals to cheer people up. And 100% of the money I raise I donate to the above causes. And I also do a lot of public speaking and protecting the earth. So I'm also pretty across politics.
She's pretty across politics. Now we're not going to get political, Holly, tonight. Yeah. And we're not going to get political about airlines, so if the marketing manager for Jetstar is in the audience, I didn't mean it. I love Jetstar. I would really like you guys to sponsor the singing competition next year, so please, you know, Holly, tell us, why are you so passionate about the environment?
Well, I think that there are some serious fundamental problems in this earth, and we're going to inherit an earth with a lot of problems if we don't watch out. Because I think it's really important, because we all know about climate change, and I think all the youth, they need to get involved, stand up for the earth and the environment, because we're the ones that are going to inherit the planet, and it's all about the people, the planet, and the animals. So everybody.
That deserves a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Holly Somerville using your music to get her message across. Like my friend Gautier, he does the same thing. He's got a new rock and roll party called The Basics. That's his band, but he's doing the same sort of thing. We love your message and we love you, and that was an awesome performance. Well done, Holly.
Thank you very much, everybody.
I like the rock bit at the end. We are welcoming onto the stage our next contestant.